Assalamu alaikum. So now here we are entering the pharmacy college. This is the assembly point. Here we can assemble. So now you see this is the parking area for the College of Pharmacy. We have a separate parking for the students and the teachers as well as the admin staff. So now this is the emergency exit door from outside, and this is the entry point from where we enter. So this is the entry point, and here the proper social distancing is being maintained. The floor is being marked. This is the dean's office. So as you enter, there is an area for visitors, and along with it the secretary of the dean. This is the space of secretary of dean, and then here we enter the dean's office. So this is the inside dean office. On the left you can see the area for his meetings, the visitors sofa, and this is the college council, the organizational structure of the college council. It is displayed on the main building, and these are the program learning outcomes, the knowledge, skills and values. So as you can see, it is being displayed properly. So it is at a common place. Now this is the college, the office of Vice Dean of Research and Development. So again you can see it is a well spaced office, the sofa and couch for the visitors. This is Pharmacy College Administration offices, and this is the Educational Equipment Support office. Here you can see the different individual offices, the Human Resources Unit, which keeps the track of the data. So here you can see the office. This is the Administrative and Financial Affairs office, and this is again the office of the purchase and the store unit. So these all are the administrative offices. As you can see, now this is the secretariat and the follow-up services. The office is located, have the proper seating arrangement. This is the faculty offices. You can see the timetable along with the office hours being displayed on the door. So it is the faculty office. Another faculty office, the timetable is displayed. Now this is office of Dr. Rayan, and now here this area has all the faculty offices. This is Dr. David. So as you can see, it is well furnished. This is the evidence room. So it is having the records of all our course files, the course reports, along with the other related documents. Now these are the labs. So this is we are entering into the lab. So all labs, we have the projector and the lights well illuminated. As you can see, all the instruments are kept, and along with that the SOPs and the SOPs are displayed. So the different instruments, so you can see all the instruments being displayed, and the SOPs are fixed. This is the storeroom inside the lab, and you can see the lab, they are properly distanced, and all the equipments, you can see the SOPs. So these are various instruments which are used for the experiments. So here again the working area for the students. Now this is the first aid box, and you can see the racks on the wall that can be used for storing of the materials. Again, the instruments which are used for the experiments. This is another instrument. This is the pharmacology lab, you can see it, and the disposal for the biohazardous substances. So each lab, we have the proper disposal mechanism and the guidelines to attend. This is the another lab, physiology lab. This is the entry point. So from here we enter, and when we enter, you can see this is the lab office, and the timetable of the concerned teacher is displayed. So this is the lab office, and here you can see the various guides of CGS as well as the general instructions for the students. So this is anatomy and physiology lab. You can see here there are various models which are used to tell the students the resuscitation techniques, the CPD techniques, all of these experiments that are covered here. So you can see the skeleton, the models, different models, different. Again, you can see the board, the whiteboard, along with the projector. these are the microscopes, the eye vision, so all microscopes. The human skeleton. This is Pharmaceutics Compounding Lab. So when you enter, you will see the instructions. This is the lab office showing the schedule of the teacher. Here the instructions and the general symbols, CGS symbols are given, the biohazard waste collector, and these are the various equipments used for the experiments, the water bath, the dissolution, the pH meter. So basically here various experiments based on the formulations are done. So these all instruments are related to the formulation aspects of the dosage forms. So as you can see, the labs are well illuminated. This is another lab of pharmaceutics department. The schedule of the concerned teacher is there on the gate, and it mentions the office hours, the timetable, etc. Now these are the various instruments, the punching machine, the weighing balance. So these all are the equipments for pharmaceutics labs, the weighing balance, the whiteboard along with the projector, the dissolution apparatus, and you can see it is a very spacious lab, and the space for the disabled students also near to the gate. And these are the instructions for the students both in Arabic and English, and these are the instructions which the student should follow, they always follow. This is the computer lab. So here you can see each table and chair having the computer. So here the students can avail the internet facilities. It is properly illuminated, having the projector along with the whiteboard. This is the secretary of the pharmaceutics HOD office. So here you can see the two sitting arrangements, and this is the HOD pharmaceutics office. This is Pharmaceutical Analysis Lab. So you can see the clear instructions to the students along with the symbols. So here are the list of the chemicals, the entry list. This is lab office. So this is the office of the lab, and now you can see various instruments which are used for the analysis experiments are there. the magnetic stirrer, the water bath, the burette stands along with the cuvettes. So all the labs we have a whiteboard and with projector. So these all are the instruments like conductivity meter, pH meter. So these are the junior classes experiment. So each instrument we have the SOP fixed near to it so that the students can use the instruments easily. And these are the disposal waste. This is the Pharmaceutical Chemistry Lab. The organic chemistry and medicinal chemistry experiments are conducted here. This is the lab office, and you can see the entry registers, the entry of the cleaners, the students, the staff. It is maintained along with the safety and other protocols which each lab is maintaining. And here the general instructions for the students and the classification of the symbols. So here the instruments related to the medicinal chemistry, the chemical synthesis, as well as the functional group analysis experiments are conducted. So you can see it has sufficient space and the students are able to do all the experiments. This is the microbiology lab. So again, on the wall the clear instructions are displayed for the students. This is the research lab. So this is where the experiments of the master's subjects are conducted, as well as other faculties also can conduct the experiments. So here we have the sophisticated instruments like HPLC, like UPLC. Then we have two GC spectrophotometers fitted with mass, FTIR. So all these instruments have resulted in a lot of publications. So you can say around I think more than 50 publications from these instruments. And this instrument is basically used by the faculty members and the students who are involved in the research. And we maintain the proper protocol, the safety and the other SOPs are here. So in all the labs we have the file covering the basic laboratory protocols, the safety protocols, the waste and disposal of the material. So each lab we are having the fire extinguisher, the waste collection for the solids, for the liquids, as well as the sharpeners. We are using the other type. This is the Biochemistry Lab. So on the gate you will find the general instructions for the students. So this is, we get inside this lab. Now you can see the various instruments related to the biochemistry. So here you will find the UV and the centrifuge, the UV cabinet, the water bath, the microscopes. So here we are, again you can see the SOPs along with the instruments. So this lab also has a projector and very spacious lab. This is the classroom. So you can see the timetable of this class. When we gain entry, the table and chair for the instructor. You can see the chairs for the students having a proper distance. This is another classroom. The timetable is displayed for the students. So this is the inside of the classroom. The dais along with the table and chair. All the rooms are well illuminated. All have the projector to deliver the contents of the lecture. This is another classroom. The timetable display, and when we gain entry, you will find a whiteboard along with the projector. The lights are proper. We have the arrangement for the special needs students also. So the place has been marked correctly, and it is near to the gate of the classroom. So it is a very spacious room. This is another classroom. As you can see, the schedule and the timetable is being displayed on the gate. As we gain entry, we will see the projector along with the whiteboard. The chairs are arranged both for the left and the right hand side students. You can see the light is also proper. The illumination is there. The dais for the teacher and the chair and the table. This is the control room. Here we maintain the examination copies. So here the photocopier machine along with the other necessities are available. Adjacent to it is a meeting room where we conduct the departmental meetings. So here it is having a very big screen. You can see it, and generally the male and female teachers, when they meet, they usually meet it like this. So we create a session and both the male and females, they can join the meeting together. So it is used by the departments, different departments. This is the one of the washrooms for the males. So the cleaner's entry is on the gate, and you can see the toilets. They are well cleaned and very well managed. The disabled also, the disabled, physically disabled students can also use it. This is college library. So this is the seating arrangement. You can see the shelves and the books are arranged. So all the books of various titles are arranged, and along with the computers. So both the students can use the digital as well as the hard copies. So both of the facilities are available, and all the books related to the pharmacy courses are available here. You can see it is a very well arranged library. The online facility for using the Saudi digital library is also present, and students use it. These are the elevators, and you can see this is the cafeteria with this, which is used by the students as well as the faculty members. this is the view, another view of the cafeteria, where we can have the refreshing coffee and other stuffs. So down here you can see this is the gym, and the facilities are used by the students. You can see various boards, the billiard board, the football one. This is the exit of the stairs. It is along with the lift. So as you can see, it is from here you can get the exit and use the stairs to get outside.
Welcome to College of Pharmacy Female Section, Jasan University, located in the South Medical College campus. What you're seeing is the car parking facility for the faculty and the students. And the whole campus has 4 assembly points which are located near the parking facilities. And this is the academic administrative building of the female section. And this opens up into the Vice Dean of Female Section office. The Vice Dean office has the program vision and mission, and the room extends into the manager of the Vice Dean's office. The Vice Dean of Female Section office opening into the meeting area, waiting area for the students, and the working area for the Vice Dean, having the facilities for the document control, and the area for the administration manager, and it opens up also into the office of document control, where the facilities for examination unit is available, photocopying machine, the storage facilities with the safety lockers to store the question papers and the answer sheets, and the floor also has the facility. Vice Dean Administrative Section also opens up into the Academic Advising Unit, which has the facility for meeting with the students, maintaining the documents, and the floor of the Vice Dean office has the clinical training and internship unit, where the Department of Clinical Pharmacy faculty handle the management system for the internship training. And the Vice Dean's office also has the admission and registration unit, having the students waiting hall, which opens up into the main office of the admission and registration unit, having sufficient facilities for maintaining the documents related to students' admission and registration. The corridor of the Vice Dean's office in the female section exhibits the program's vision and mission clearly to the students. And the building number 5, in which the labs are located, has the special entry to the students for the special needs, opening up into the corridor, having the notice board for the students, and the area where the labs are located. The floor plan is exhibited publicly, staircase to the first floor of the lecture halls, the elevator to the first floor in which the lecture halls are located, the emergency exit, The ground floor of building number 5 has 2 main entrances and 2 emergency exits. This is the emergency exit, and the labs are located on the ground floor of building number 5. And the corridor also has the program's vision and mission publicized to the students and the faculty, having the notice boards, and that's the second main entrance to the building. That is the entrance from the outside to the building. This is the lab number 5001, Pharmaceutics Lab. Every lab located in the ground floor, 7 labs totally. All the labs provide the safe working environment, has 2 doors, and every door exhibits the safety symbols, the lecture schedules of the lecturers, and the fire blanket, first aid box, safety shower, eye wash, fire extinguisher, the workbenches, and the electrical appliances, the lab stirrer, mechanical stirrer, dissolution apparatus, exhaust fan, chemical storage cabinets, and the operational file having the maintenance formats, risk management policy, waste management policies, and the lab manuals and the safety manuals. The maintenance reporting format, risk management policies, infection control manual, and the lab manual of the concerned subjects, and the organizational hierarchy exhibited on the corridor, the program's vision and mission exhibited on the corridor of the ground floor in both English and in Arabic, to familiarize the faculty and the students regarding the mission and vision, and the fire hose 5002 Pharmaceutical Analysis Lab, the lecturer's schedule exhibited on the door, the program's vision and mission, and the second door for the entry showing the precautionary symbols, the fire blanket, the safety shower, the eye wash, the workbenches. Each lab is supported with the projector, the table for the teachers, the whiteboard, projectors, fire alarm, electronic balance, calorimeter, chromatography, and the entry for the students having special needs, and the floor plan. And the chemistry lab has the facility to store the flammable chemicals safely. The list of flammable chemicals and the bins for collecting the wastages, disposal of the wastages safely. And the first floor opens up into the lecture halls, displaying the lecture schedules for the students, and each lecture hall has 2 doors for safe exit and entry, supported with the teaching aids, AC, chairs having the writing pads, And there are 7 lecture halls located on the first floor exclusively for the female section for College of Pharmacy, supported with the projectors, podium, special area for the students of special needs, easy to access, and the exit. Another lecture hall showing the schedules, lecture schedules for the students, 50 seating capacity, the teaching aids, fire alarm, area for the students with special needs, student chairs with writing pads, faculty rooms. There are total 5 faculty rooms. Faculty room for Department of Pharmacology, opening into 2 areas, one on the left side and one on the right side. And this is the facility having the tables and chairs and the storage cabinets for the document control for the faculty. And the doors of the faculty room exhibits the office hours, their lecture schedules. And this is the room which opens up into another area, and Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry faculty room identified with the number 202, opening into the room on the right side, having the seating capacity for the faculty of Department of Chemistry. And on the doors is displayed the lecture schedules of the faculty accommodated there. And this is another room located on the left side for the female faculty of Department of Chemistry, showing the schedules of the Department of Chemistry faculty, facility for the storage of documents. And this is the medical library, which is located near to the assembly point and the parking facility for the faculty. Entry into the medical library. Chief Librarian's desk has the facility of digital copying. The textbooks can be copied electronically, saved in the pen drives, and can be used by the faculty and the students. And the library facility, this is a common facility shared between College of Medicine, College of Nursing, and College of Pharmacy. The College of Pharmacy titles and textbooks are identified with the rack numbers 511, and this is the seating facility for students. Students are eligible to borrow 3 textbooks, and faculty are eligible to borrow 5 textbooks, and we can retain for our references for a maximum of 20 days. And this is the common hall for prayer for the female students of College of Pharmacy. This is the cafeteria having 2 entrances and an ample amount of food outlets. And this is the activity area for the female students of College of Pharmacy, providing the sports facilities for the indoor games. Recreational facilities are also available. Provides an ample space for the games